All right, things are sounding good in the videos. Yeah, very good control over the upstrokes, keeping everything in the middle of the beat. That went well. So yeah, let's work on trying to get you a little bit more speed with the single note stuff. And one thing that you don't really have to do anymore is counting out loud unless it feels helpful. So when we get more and more, we'll say advanced, playing more and more advanced stuff with the single note playing, you could say it's unreasonable to really expect to be counting everything as you're doing this, because you're going to have so much right and left hand changes going on at the same time. But that being said, again, if counting it out loud helps you play it better, definitely do it. You might need to do it in order to figure out something that is single notes. So we'll say it's optional for stuff like this. It's an option. For the strumming stuff, definitely you want to be counting that out loud from that 60 to 120 like I've talked about. But the single note stuff is not as important because you did all that work with the chords, so you can always rely on that technique whenever you need it. But if you don't need it, you don't have to use it. Alright, 60 for number 1. And this is very similar to what we did last time. Just playing it very similar, not 100%, but yeah, just kind of playing an octave higher. So some pentatonic stuff again, going up and down. A little bit of hand shifting that needs to happen. All right, let's go for it. 61, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 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 4, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. $240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to 180 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, number 2, going to get some string changes going on. So, always going down, up, down, just like the previous thing. But we're going to keep changing strings after that upstroke. So, here we go. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 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 4. So we make sure it sounds like that and not like this. We don't want a chord. We are using the notes of power chords, but we don't want it to ring out. We want all the notes to be separate. So just want to point that out, just in case you left your fingers down. We don't want to do that. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to 180 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right, any questions come up, let me know. I will see you again next week.